So guys, fire has been used as a tool in agriculture from way back in the days by our ancestors to clear land, remove weed, dispose of waste and control disease. So guys, please do not try this at home. Be very careful when you're starting a fire. So we're at this point right now, Anta bite me up on all these things. So I'm just here getting the land ready for the fall season. When the rain starts, say that the time we in St. Elizabeth can set our crops because we don't have any irrigation water, so we have to depend on the rainwater to start our crops. So may I try light the fire now. Just take the stick and push in the fire a little further underneath the heap so that it can start blazing. I'll go and watch the fire, so I'll go on. The fire look like in our light, man. It's very windy over here, so kind of hard to light fire and stuff. So I'll go and beat in the heap now, see if the fire can reach the sticks and all them things. See, I see look of smoke come up there, but fire still not blaze. I beat it, yes. Yo, people, the sun hot. Mommy tell the sun hot. Hot? I don't know if you can see it, man. It's just blazing. And now I'm going to light the paper again and try stuff it in. Yo, bridging the fire stubborn. It's stubborn. This thing I work my hard, man. It really I work my hard. Yeah, pile up some more pan it, yes. Alright, so I see look at progress here now. Fire kinda blaze up. Yeah man, look at progress are going. Look at progress really are going, fire blaze and thing. Hopefully keep up. So after all the struggle with the something now, I realize what I want. To get the fire blazing, so I go hunt it and come back. See there? This me need touch. I need touch for go and blaze up the fire and things. So that's what I used last time when I was getting the land prepared. I guess I forgot that I needed touch because the paper wasn't really working. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna light the paper, stuff it in there, and then I'm gonna try and see if I can get the touch light off that little flame so that it can blaze. So watch and see guys what gonna happen. Yes or no? So after struggling a bit still, I happened to get the firelight. See the firelight. So I try get the touch light now for light the bundles, so I can get this off my hand. And trust me guys, this really take me a whole heap of time, I tell you, because it's very windy. So go on do my thing still today, fire blaze and thing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this fire to light the rest. So I wanna try and light them 2 by 2, so I can really manage the fire, because you don't want to light everything all at once and then it start get wet on the grass and the surrounding areas and then you can't stop it. So in order for me to manage it, I only happen to light like 2 by 2. So I'm going to light 2, and I tell you the fire, the heat from the fire and the sun, there's no other comparison, I tell you. Remember, you have fire heat and you have smoke, and then you have the heat from the sun also. It wasn't pretty, I'm telling you guys. I had to run because the heat was like crazy, yo. The heat was crazy. So I was just going around and just gathering up some more heat and such. And we are going to do my thing, man. Yeah, we are going to do my thing. Go and watch the fire and make sure say in a gateway and all that stuff. Yeah. As I said, do not try this at home and do not play with fire. Fire is very dangerous, so don't try this at the yard. Do not try this in the yard. Nah, sir. Look at all that heat from the fire. You see it, guys, all that heat. I'm telling you. Farming is a struggle when you have to do all this by yourself. Yeah, because you can't really employ somebody to come and light fire for you, because that's like, nah, people who have money can't do it. I don't have the money. You have to go and do certain things myself and see if I can get through. But I have some guys working over the back section for me. They're cutting some grass and such, so me and them they are going. So if the fire get me now, they can run come help me, is it? So them 2 fires start die down now, so I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna light 2 more heap now and make them the one that go and burn. So I'm gonna light the touch from the dying down heap, so I can get some fire off of them ones and get the touch and light them heaps. I really want to get this off my hand for today. I don't want to come back over here next day and then, yeah, never want to go back over them. Just want to get all of them firelight done and such, so I can get the land grass off. As you guys call it, mulching or whatever. Me call it grass. Yeah, my grass on the land, so that it can keep the plants moist, so I don't have to water it as often. So yeah, me I like the next heap and thing, light it up. So you see, after me get the touch, guys, how easy it was. Man, me did I struggle with gleaner and all these things. Like my head wasn't in the right spot when I started this, because I knew better. Because when I was first preparing the land, I used touch to light the fires and such, and me there about me use gleaner. My dead. Yeah, so me I like one next one over there so now. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Suzie Jamaica Vibes. Like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with all your friends and family. Even who don't do farming, you know, so they might like to see the preparation and all these things it takes to get the land ready and all that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. I mean, it doesn't take anything for you to go and subscribe to my channel, you know, guys. It don't take a thing. All it takes is just that one finger you use to press on your iPhone or your Android phone and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram at Suzie_Jamaica Vibes. I'm also on TikTok at Suzie Jamaica Vibes. So guys, you can go ahead and just follow me, and if you need to ask me any questions, you can do so. Send me a DM on Instagram at Suzie_Jamaica Vibes, or you can also send me an email at SuzieJamaicaVibes@gmail.com. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, not costing nothing. Go and subscribe, man. So right now, I just go and chop some more touch for like the rest of heat them. So yeah.